Chatham would not function as a community. For my annual message, I will now, which I'll keep short, because I know the firefighters want to go off and do their thing. But for a number of years, as you know, we have adopted goals and objectives for the coming year prior to finalizing our budget. That practice has helped us prioritize our budget items and has helped us to ensure that we have focused municipal resources on the activities we agree are the most important. It is a planning tool that is used in the private sector that I have always believed has application in the public sector, and I think we have used it to good effect in Chatham. In 2016, we did what we said we would do, and more, including keeping the municipal tax increase to just under 1%, completing and adopting the master plan reexamination report through a process that involves significant public participation, settling our affordable housing obligations and adopting a housing element and fair share plan, and reaching agreement with Chatham Township on the day-to-day management of our joint recreation program, treating borough ash trees for the Emerald Ash Borer, and holding very productive discussions with NJDOT on addressing the traffic congestion problems on Route 124 or Main Street. In February, and I think our first meeting in February, we will discuss our goals and objectives for 2017.